The goal trap. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Set a goal. Write it down. Dream big. This is the most overrated advice in history. I am going to say something controversial. Goals are for losers. Why? Because when you set a goal, you are telling yourself, I am not good enough yet. I will only be happy when I achieve this. You are condemning yourself to a state of continuous failure until that one moment of success. And if you don't reach it, you are a failure forever. Why would you design a game where the odds of winning are so low? Winners and losers have the same goals. Think about the Olympics. Every athlete there has the same goal, gold medal. If goals were the key to success, everyone should win gold. But only one person wins. The goal didn't make the winner. The system did. The winner didn't focus on the medal. They focused on the training schedule, the diet, the sleep routine, the daily system. The loser stared at the scoreboard. The winner stared at the practice field. Forget the goal. Fall in love with the system. The yo-yo effect. What happens when you achieve your goal? I want to lose 10 kilograms. Okay, you starved yourself and lost 10 kilograms. Success. Then what? You stop running. You eat cake again. You gain it all back. This is the yo-yo effect of goal-oriented thinking. Goals are temporary. Systems are permanent. A goal is a destination. A system is a lifestyle. If you want long-term success, stop trying to hit a target. Instead, build a machine system that produces results automatically. You don't rise to your goals. James Clear said it best. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Your ambition means nothing. Your daily routine is everything. Stop staring at the mountain peak. Look at your feet and take one step. Burn your goal list. Design your daily schedule. In the next video, we will finish part 1 by revealing the final fake cause. Passion is overrated. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.